Stepped on the liver.
That's Paul's.
So good morning, Mrs. Smith's second and third grade class. We are here today I'm from the Science Zone, and we have a featured exhibit coming up. And it is called Force in Motion. And my hat's a little heavy, I apologize, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off for just a moment. But what we did today, they gave me just a few moments, and I want you guys to be very excited to come and see our new exhibit called Force in Motion. So today, I have brought my F=ma train. Yes. And the thing is as you can see, I use that funny thing, F=ma, and oh, I just love to use things like that. But we could later tell you about that if you were to come and see our exhibit at the Science Zone. We have the train here, and it's actually at rest, and I'm going to introduce you to our passenger car, and our dining car, and our baggage car, and our caboose. And we also have something wonderful over here, but I'm not going to let you guys figure that. You're going to have to figure that out. So I am going to need some volunteers out of Mrs. Smith's second and third grade class today. And I know you guys do some studying on Force in Motion. So I will need 2 volunteers, just 2. And the thing is when you come up, we want to have lots of fun, and we want to learn something also. So we want to try and get that force and motion and see if we can get our train moving. Since again, remember, F=ma is at rest right now. So when you come up, you get to hold on to a job, but you have to be very careful when you do that, all right? So may I please have 2? I need 2 from Mrs. Smith's class. Okay, if you're not going to raise your hand, I may. All right. Keith, go ahead and come up, Keith. And any others? Anybody else? All right, go ahead and come on up. Okay, so thank you guys for, it might have been a little intimidating since I'm kind of new here, I know, and sometimes I can be kind of loud, but I wanted to thank you for coming up and helping out F=ma. So again, we're doing our force in motion. Now, I said we're at rest, and I would like you, Keith, we want to get this train moving. Now, we could blow. Come on, everybody, blow. And the train went nowhere. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so we could yell. All right, let's everybody yell. So not working. So I know that you're a much better expert on this, even though they've trained me just a little bit. Do you have any ideas on something that we could do to get the train moving?
You need an engine.
You need an engine. Well, that may come a little bit later. All you have is these 4 right here. I want you to do something. You get to, and you don't get to be the engine. I like that thought, though. That was a great idea.
Can you just pull them?
Oh, pull. I like. Now, go ahead, Keith. I'm going to let you go ahead, and you can pull on the passenger car. But I know that you're kind of got some pipes. So be careful with it. Go ahead. You can go ahead and pull, and we're all hooked. Sorry. All right, so go ahead. Come on, Perfect. Okay. So as Keith pulled on our passenger car, our dining car, our luggage car, and our caboose, they were moving. And as you saw, the passenger car started moving a little bit quicker. And lastly, our caboose was at the end. They had to get a little bit of momentum going. All right, thank you, Keith. Now, our next volunteer, we have tried blowing on it, we've tried yelling at it, we did do pulling. Do you have anything else without an engine that you think that you could get our train moving?
Can I push?
I love it. Very good. I'm using the opposite, so go ahead. But, I see that you also work out, and so make sure that you're kind to F=ma. Go ahead. You can go from either direction. Oh, push. All right. Very good. So we had some push and we had some pull. And we also had Keith with an extremely excellent suggestion in the very beginning. So volunteer, thank you very much. Very good. Now, so we are going to, there is something else that we can add to F equals MA. Because we don't always have somebody that can go out there and push the train or pull the train. We have something else. And so we're going to go ahead and hook on our long-awaited engine. So as our engine, sorry, very nice. So as our engine goes ahead and starts, go ahead, Miss Engine, gets to working.
Seriously.
All right, so as you guys can see, F equals MA is now moving. Very productively, and so if there's any questions, I can answer them now. Again, remember we had just a short amount of time, and that F equal MA is something that you guys can come to the Science Zone, follow up, and we will expand on that. Thank you. Anybody have questions? And our train whistle and our cell statue was
Our hat. That was a
it
hat.
was my conductor's hat. I didn't know if I could get as wild and crazy with my conductor's hat. So, all right.
All right, thank y'all very much. Judges, your thoughts?
That one was a little long, but I did really appreciate how you included the promotions for the exhibit.
I absolutely loved it. It brought me to tears.
I'm always a fan of groups that sell themselves, and you did that certainly. I also would have to say that to the engine, I know what it's like to haul two cabooses around.